Hi there, I'm teacher Eric. Welcome to today's video lesson. Today we will learn how to make promises in English. Here we have some examples of promises in English. The first one says, I will arrive early. Then we have, I will tell the truth. And finally, I will be careful. All these promises start with a subject. Then we have will. After that, we have a verb in the base form. It means no modifications. And finally, we have a complement. As an option, we can add a time expression at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. For example, I can say, tomorrow I will arrive early, or I will arrive early tomorrow. Here we have two more promises. They say, I will not arrive late, and I won't tell lies. So these promises are expressed in the negative form of the sentences. So we have subject, then we have will not or won't, which is a contraction in the negative form. We have the verb, again, in the base form, no modifications, and finally we have a complement. And as I said in the previous sentences, we can have a time expression, but it is optional. So we can say, tomorrow I will not arrive late, or I will not arrive late tomorrow. That's it for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. See you next time.